Cooler coming back at you. We're looking at the Vizio, and I just did a box opening on the 24-inch D-Series smart TV. So while I'm right here, I might as well show you how to put the legs on the bottom of it, put the batteries in the remote control. So let's get after that right now. With the remote control, it comes with 2 batteries, but what it doesn't, looks the same, and where the springs are located on this, on these, is where you put the negative part of the battery in, and then you plug it back in, and then that remote is finished and ready to go. I guess it's smart. I'm out.